Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to chat you through how to sweeten dark chocolate as well as show you my dark chocolate collection, the chocolates that I have that are low carb, keto friendly, sugar free, and what I do to enjoy them. And I've also written a blog post which I'll leave down below which lists through my steps of how to sweeten dark chocolate, as well as lists the brands that I keep in my pantry, as well as recipes and ideas to enjoy them. So let me show you what I've got. So here you go. This is my chocolate collection. These are the chocolates I enjoy when I feel like something chocolatey and sweet, and in lots of different ways. I'll chat you through them really quickly. This one is I found here in Ireland from Marks and Spencer, 100% cocoa. It's pretty dark. I can really only tolerate a tiny bit without any sweetness, so I've been enjoying that in hot chocolate. So I'll bubble up a little bit of almond milk and then mix through a row of this, plus you can add in a bit of stevia to sweeten, and sweeten it until it's sweet to your liking. Add a little bit at a time until you've got just the perfect sweetness, and that's the way I've been enjoying that dark chocolate. This is one I found actually. I went up to Northern Ireland and I found it in England too, but I actually had a look on Amazon, and if you're in America you can actually get this from Amazon delivered. It's a really good 100% absolute black dark chocolate, which is also great in hot chocolate, in brownies, chocolate mousse, melted, and add a bit of sweetness to it, and it's just perfection. And Lindt is brilliant in making dark chocolate. There's 85%. You can get 90, and I've even seen 99% dark chocolate Lindt. So you can, just as with the other recipes, have hot chocolate, chocolate mousse, but with 85%. Once you've been on a low carb diet for a while, you actually quite find 85% quite perfect, and I'm quite happy to enjoy 85%. A row or so of that is just the perfect sweetness. And Godiva, there's a Godiva 90% cocoa, which is just absolutely divine. It's luxurious, it's beautiful, and I had a look on Amazon, and you can also actually get this as well. I'll leave links down below to whatever chocolate I can find on Amazon for you, so if you're wanting to stock up on low carb chocolate, you can find the links down below for that. So Godiva is just a luxurious, beautiful one. That one I can also quite happily enjoy just plain. It's 90%. It's just perfect, really dark, really rich, really beautiful chocolate. And finally, this is on the budget end of the scale, Godiva to Aldi. You really can't get more of a contrast than that. But Godiva, obviously really expensive chocolate, and from Aldi I get this Moser Roth dark chocolate 85%. It's actually individually packaged, portioned inside. It's dark enough that I'm quite happy to eat it just as is, but I will also sometimes melt it and put it into hot chocolate, into chocolate mousse, into brownies, into chocolate icing, into chocolate cake. There's so many ways to have it, but as I mentioned, I'll have the blog post down below with instructions for using dark chocolate in your diet if you want to have dark chocolate, and lots of ways to enjoy it, and options and recipes. All of that will be down below, but really use your sweetener of choice. If you melt it a little, I've also found what I've done is, if I'm making a hot chocolate, I've whipped up cream, add a bit of cocoa powder, and grate in a bit of my 100% dark chocolate. So you get almost these tiny little chips grated in, and it's really dark and really intense, but when you contrast it to the whipped cream and a bit of stevia, it's chocolate perfection. It's just amazing. But that is the short and sweet video for you for today with my chocolate collection. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which will have all recipes, ways to enjoy dark chocolate in your diet that's low carb, keto friendly, and chocolate brands to look out for, and how to sweeten dark chocolate. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment. Let me know when you enjoy dark chocolate, which brand is your chocolate of choice. Have I missed out your favorite brand today? Please let me know in the comments. I'm always looking for more chocolates to try. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.